Hey guys, Mr. B here. Just wanted to give you a little update on the grow station and the varieties of stuff we have in there now. I haven't given you guys a video in a while, so I thought I'd kind of show you what's going on in here. Let me give you a show. So here's the grow station. We've taken a 5-tier rack from Lowe's. I think they run about 89 bucks. And we've got lights on every tier. And we've just got things growing in all stages here. So some of the oldest stuff we have here. There's some spots missing because we already started selling off some stuff. We got some 6-packs of Nevada lettuce. That's been doing real well down there. Have some yellow chard down there. This is basically how we started them all, just in little 4-packs, or little 4-inch packs, and kind of bulk seeded them. Then the next step up was into the little 9-packs. I cut my 72 cell trays into 9-packs, so it makes them a little bit easier to kind of deal with instead of growing everything. And when things grow at different speeds, you can transplant them, the bigger ones first, and leave the small guys in there to get a little bit bigger before you transplant them. We got the artichokes in here. They've been doing real well. First time we've ever done something like that, so we're really stoked about that. Some other spare stuff in the back there. I'll go over the varieties here too, but you can see the different stages of tomatoes that we have going on. Some of these are starting to get pretty big. Got a bunch of peppers. And then here's kind of the stuff that I ended up. This is the stuff I did most recently, just a couple days ago. And then a few days later, they're like this. And then they end up about like this. And you can kind of see how I've been doing them in little steps. Another tray of a bunch of peppers here too. And then some bok choy in the back, some yellow chard. Some other peppers over here. So let me just kind of go over the varieties of everything we got here. We got a lot of tomatoes going this year. So this is some yellow zebras we got here, just a little 9-pack of those. Let me see in the back, we got a bunch of habanero peppers. Then up front, a couple of trays of the mammoth jalapeno peppers. Let's see, you got some Brad Gates stuff in here too from a while before. We got some black cherry back there. The Brad's Atomic Grape, the Woodle Orange, which I've said in my other videos, that is my favorite tomato of all. These are seeds. If you saw my other video about the old seeds and do they grow, well, here they are. Here's my 2015 seeds. These weren't germinated like in the paper towel. These were standard, these were done just like these, just in my cocoa coir mixture from my other video. And so there's that Woodle Orange, 15 from 2015 those seeds are. Let me see in the back, we got some Showstoppers. That's Brad Gates also. Amish Paste, Boar's Tooth, another Brad Gates, and a new one from him, the Cosmic Burst. That Cosmic Burst, and I think the Showstopper is one of his new tomatoes for the last year or so. In the back, we got a few trays of the sweet banana peppers, then a ton of these red bountiful peppers. I've grown a lot of bell peppers, the California Wonders, the King North, all these different ones to try and find ones that would do well. This has been my biggest, best producing tomato pepper. It's the red bountiful, and these are from seeds I saved from back in 22. This here, a bunch of Sun Gold. That's one of the 2 hybrids that I'm growing, the Sun Gold. So I got those seeds from Johnny's. Sun Gold's our favorite cherry. Let me see, some Gold Medals. Those are from 2015. These guys here are seeds that came up from 2015. The Copia, which I think they said is a cross between the Gold Medal and the Green Zebra. That's what the Copia is. I was just reading up on that last night. I didn't even know that. They're an awesome kind of striped yellow-orange tomato. Let's see, gotta get where I can. My little tags are getting covered up. So these 2 rows in the back, these 2 rows of 9-packs, those are all the pineapple variety of tomato. And then these 2 rows of 9-packs here are beefsteaks, just standard beefsteaks. I bought those seeds. The pineapple seeds are saved from 2020. Let me see, in the very back, what are those? Some Brandywines in the back. Marvel Stripe, that's another awesome tomato. I love that one. The Marvel Stripes, these guys in the middle here, those are Marvel Stripe. And then the Abigail, that's the other F1 hybrid that we're growing. We got some of these from the cottage gardens in Petaluma when we lived out west, and we grew those 1 year, and we just loved them. And come to find out it was an F1 hybrid, so I had to buy those seeds. I got those at Johnny's also. That is an awesome, awesome tomato, the Abigail. So we grew the artichokes by seed. Let's see, where were those other ones? There's okay, here. I'm sorry. So this batch here, these are the Corno de Toro peppers, the horn of the bull peppers. These guys are up here, and they're from seeds I saved from 22. Let me see. Sorry if it's shaking a little bit. The artichokes. Let's see here. Cherokee purples in the back. Paul Robeson's in the front. Rutgers in the back. Black and brown boar. That's another Brad Gates. And then a bunch of San Marzanos here. And then we still have some blueberries from Brad Gates to transplant. Some sweeties in the back. They're a great cherry variety. And then a few extra mammoth jalapenos in the back there too. So a lot of stuff going on in here. That's the grow station and what's growing there. So I had all my germination mats on the bottom there, but now I've just been kind of germinating up on the top up here. It gets hot from that what is that, hydrofarm light that's up top. So I'm just germinating up on the top up there now. So there's what we got. Got a little, oh, I didn't show those. Got little computer fans in here, keeping the air circulating in there just to kind of keep things from getting too cold. It kind of actually just strengthens them a little bit. So that's what we got going on in the grow room right now. Bunch of stuff. We're going to start getting this all packaged up into larger containers so we can start selling some of it off to the locals around here and keeping it for ourselves too. But thanks for stopping by, guys, and checking things out. And give us a like and a subscribe, and put any questions or comments down below. And what is your favorite type of tomato that you like to grow? So thanks again for coming by. We appreciate you. Have a blessed day.